Lechon in the Philippines, guys. By the way, I am here now at Giselle's house. Say hello, Giselle.
Hi!
Happy birthday to Bundoy.
Yes!
How old is he?
4.
4. Okay.
Yay.
And it's double celebration.
100K!
Yay!
I
Congratulations.
finally received my
Silver
silver
button.
button hanging on the wall.
Sana all. Look at that, guys. Sana all. Mine is coming soon. Charot. Yay! Manifesting. Look, there's many dishes here. Wow, that's shrimp. Yes. Many foods, guys. We're gonna be. This is the birthday boy. Hi, hello.
Hello, Bundoy!
Ako, wala dyan siya. Wala siya pakialam.